Eat your food. Please take the first bite. Listen.
I'm gonna eat the rice first.
Listen. This is delicious. Delicious?
The curry spicy or the chicken?
The curry. Man, this is horrible. Say that again. Say that again.
What's the point?
What did he say, Amanda? Drinking out. How much have we gotten? Yeah, most of it. How's it, Amanda? Delicious? Chicken. You know what you're doing. Go. Elise, how is it?
Alright, listen. It wasn't hot before. You actually have to eat it in order for it to actually be hot. I'm dying, my guy.
You gotta wait.
I'm getting flashbacks of the fucking hot chip. And I lost to rock, paper, scissors again.
Amanda has the food.
Amazing.
How's the rice? What'd you say about the rice
The
again?
rice tastes like plastic.
Wow.
How's your mild? How's your medium heat? Let me taste it. Let me taste it.
It's still gonna be worse.
Let me taste that. Let me taste it. Let me taste the mild. My favorite scissors right now.
Again?
Yeah.
No, I'm good.
My favorite scissors right now.
The more you wait, the more it's gonna burn.
My favorite scissors right now today.
But it's good. It burns good. You know? Like,
I'm dying over here. I'm frying actually.
Nigga, you got medium.
I'm dying.
You got medium.
Yeah, I always get medium.
And it's hot.
Yeah.
Nigga got medium and it's hot.
How's yours again? Go ahead, finish yours. Finish the rest.
Sensational.
meow. Shut the fuck up. Dramatic.
What you mean?
Dramatic.
What did I do?
You're dramatic. You're being dramatic because this is not even.
It is. Which?
No, it's fine. It's fine. No, you just want to eat mine because.
I want you to try it. I want you to try it.
No, please.
Medium and you're coughing? Haven't even coughed yet, genuinely. Look.
That's a lie. That's a lie. We all know that's a lie.
Okay, let me go outside. Hold on.
How's Amanda? How you feeling?
It's not bad. I thought it was gonna be worse, but
Police?
yeah.
Okay. That was a Khalees.
Fuck you.
And you're only halfway done. You still have food left over.
Fuck you.
Come on.
You should get
We gotta cross the street.
Eat the spicy.
No, please.
Eat the spicy. What's wrong?
I wanna eat
the
my
spicy.
food.
No, fuck you and your food. Eat the spicy.
Oh my god.
I've had enough of the spicy shit.
I thought it was good, Khalees. I thought you liked the spicy one, huh? I thought it was nothing, huh?
Is
Dang.
yours, Lalo?
No, this one's mine.
Oh, okay.
Please.
No, what's wrong?
Please.
No, you can move the chicken and everything. Just give me the rice and
my
curry.
God.
Why do you
Give it
want?
back.
Why do you want the medium?
back.
Why do you want the medium?
Cause it's mine.
Why?
He bought it for me. He bought the medium. for
Blueface
me.
baby. Yeah.
I want my food. There's nothing.
Go ahead, Khalees. That's all you. Enjoy your food.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Okay,
What was that, Khalees? Say that again. You're not hungry no more? Why are you not hungry, you fool?
I ate it all.
Gelling.
I ate it all.
Is it gelling?
I ate it all.
You did not eat it all.
Yes, I did.
Open it then.
Are we gonna...
Eat your food.
Is it that bad?
Yes. You have to eat a lot of it, nigga.
So you're saying I wasted my money on you,
No. I ate most of it, my nigga.
but you didn't eat all of it. Look at that.
No, take a bigger fucking bite. Take a big... No. Open. Oh, no. Just open your mouth. Uh-huh. And then after that...
And just let it steam in there for a little.
No.
Yes.
I'm not gonna...
Yes, because you... Oh my God, it's not even that hot, Khalees. No.
His first thing... You put in my chicken.
Mi necesito pollo.
You ate all of yours.
This is spicy.
Mm-hmm.
God.
Like a skunk leaving stank.
Like what? No reaction. I just took one bite of the hot one. And
Mondays.
oh god damn. Okay.
Holy fuck. God, my heart.
Don't worry, Khalees.
You should record that.
I got that though.
I'm gonna go swing on the swing.
You finish your food, man.
Fuck you, fuck this food. I'll finish it later. Nigga.
Finish your food.
It's
When's
like-
later?
It's like 5 more bites, my nigga.
Bro's walking off. Fuck.
Keep doing it.
How much do you have left?
I have a lot.
A lot? You still got chicken left?
Yes. Okay, let's finish that. Come on, Lalo. Yes. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And the other one right there on the swing because it was too hot. You know? And he's smiling. Oh. Okay. Where's your money? You had a money on this. Did you post the other video?
Which one?
The other one, the first one that we did.